Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself finding my true love.
I see myself in 5 years building my own business and having this journey with you guys.
Manager.
I see myself 5 years from now, full-time trader and full-time trader.
Maging K-pop idol, yun lang.
Where do I see myself? 5 years from now, I am a businesswoman na. Yun lang.
Ready po po,
Hindi. Maghanap ako ng sugar daddy para magkaroon ako ng kapital. So, yung kapital na yun yung i-start ko ng business.
CEO.
Travel, tapos may sariling business, and ayun, nag-enjoy pa sa life. Yeah. At sana maging ninang na din ako ng mga kaibigan ko sa mga kasal nila.
Siguro patay na. Charing. Gusto ko pa mag-take ng isang course kaso hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko pa. Siguro mag-work na lang ako tapos magtatayo ng sariling business. At ayoko pang pamilya.
5 years from now, mayaman na ako. Binili ko na kayong lahat.
Nasa Japan ako nagtatrabaho.
Sana masa tayo lahat kung nasa tayo 5 years from now. And I hope I'm still surrounded by the people that make me feel alive. Yun lang.
I see myself after 5 years, working in the corporation and happily married. Wow!
I see myself 5 years from now, siguro nakakulong na ako. Tapos, ayun o, siyempre, pagkatapos ng City University of Pasay, pupunta naman tayo sa next spot natin, ang Pasay City Jail. So, ayun, ang future ko, wait lang, malabo mata ko eh. Siguro nasa abroad na.